Absolutely beautiful golf frontage home packed with upgrades including a fantastic self-cleaning PebbleTec pool with a view of the wonderful Metro West Country Club. This home inside shows like a model and looks like one too, with 18-inch diagonal travertine tile throughout the entire home. A large foyer directs your attention to the vaulted ceilings, soothing earth tone colors and a huge family living room which offers a wood-burning fireplace and a great view of either the upgraded kitchen or the pool and golf frontage view. The kitchen boasts upgraded cabinets, granite, center island and all appliances are included. Just down the foyer is a walk-in pantry with custom shelving. The first floor master bedroom too is quite spacious. Both the master bedroom and master bath have a view of the golf course. There are 2 additional bedrooms, both of a good size, an upgraded second bath, full laundry room and even a den or 4th bedroom. All bedrooms offer upgraded closets and of course those beautiful floors. Hidden sliders from the living room open up to a very large entertaining area featuring a self-cleaning pool and spa, oversized patio and let's not forget the golf view. Other wonderful recent changes include a new water heater in 2012, new air